Hello, this is Victor Neustroev. I'm just going to tell you what you should do to be able to participate in our Blitz session. And the main problem is how to send a challenge on chess.com. So first, this is our group, our chess club on chess.com. If you are not a member, then you will see here a button, join. Please click on it and be a member. It's very important. If you are a member, you won't miss anything, any events. This is our Facebook page. So here you can type just tricks of chess, and here you click follow. Okay, fine. Let's go back to chess.com. How to send the challenge. First you click here, live chess. Then you choose this option, play a friend. Here you should type a friend's username. So here you should write. Because I'm showing from my account, of course, no players to challenge, because I can't play with myself. Now let's, for example, choose any player, but your task is to write my nickname, which is this. So for example, I usually play with one of my students. So here you click select, time 3+2. Here, of course, we play chess, normal chess. Rating, unrated. Color doesn't matter. If you want to play with white pieces, okay, just put white. If black, then black. If random, then keep as it is. And finally, you click here, play. And it says that, for example, if I'm not currently online, I can apply for this challenge later. Okay, this is what you should do to be able to participate in this Blitz session. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them on Facebook or here in our chess.com club. Thank you.